Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the equation 7x plus 3y is equal to 8 and 6x minus 3y is equal to 5. And this system of equations has a solution, and we're asked, of the solution xy, what is the value of x minus y? So first we have to find x and y. The easiest way to solve this, you can do substitution or elimination. It looks like elimination is going to be really easy because we don't even have to multiply one of these by a constant. If we just add these equations outright, we have 7x plus 6x, 7 plus 6 is 13x, plus 3y minus 3y is 0, so your x's cancel, is equal to 8 plus 5 is 13. If you divide both sides by 13, you get x on your own, and 13 divided by 13 is 1. So x is equal to 1. We're looking for x minus y, so we also have to find y. So taking the first equation, 7x plus 3y equals 8. We know x is equal to 1, so we can plug it in. 7 times 1 plus 3y is equal to 8. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3y is equal to 8. Subtract from 7 on both sides. These will disappear. You get 3y is equal to 8 minus 7, which is 1. Dividing both sides by 3, you get y is equal to 1/3. So what is the value of x minus y? Well, x minus y is equal to 1 for x minus 1/3 for y. 1, if we want to subtract these, we have to get them with the same denominator. So 1 is the same as 3 divided by 3, right? 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So you have 3/3 minus 1/3. They have the same denominator, so you can subtract the numerators. So you have 3 minus 1 is 2/3. And this is the value of x minus y, which means B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.